How to add Merlin on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Merlin on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Merlin. To add BTC Merlin on your Trust Wallet app, just simply toggle it. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and click on BTC Merlin. You can see two options, send and receive. If you want to receive Merlin, then tap on receive, and with the help of this QR code and wallet address, you will be able to receive Merlin from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Merlin on a Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.